Wadau, welcome back to my part B of the video. So, as you can see on the board, we have a certain twist. Si kubwa kidogo tu. I have introduced a third equation. Sasa najua roho imeanza kukimbia, but usijali, ambia roho relax kababa. You know why? Because Collins got you. Sasa, so kwa hii swali hapa hivi, I have three equations. So the first one, I'm going to name it A, the second one B, and C. So when given such an equation, how do you solve it? We're going to consider two equations kwanza, you solve them. So unaweza more consider A and C. You first of all solve them, unapata a certain equation. Then you can solve A and B, upate another equation. From the two equations, you solve them, upate your answers. So why do we do that? The reason ni, hapa tuko na variables tatu, x, y na z. So unafaa ubaki na variables mbili, alafu una solve swali yako. But hatufai kuongea mingi, tufanye kitu. So I'm going to consider equation A and equation C. So for A and C, I'm going to have x plus y minus z is equals to 4. Equation C, I have negative 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 7. So ukiwa hapo, we're going to eliminate one of this. So ile inakaa rahisi ku eliminate is going to be z. So it's either we add through or we subtract. So if we're going to add, if I add, I'll have negative z plus z. Plus gives me a positive. So negative z plus z, 0. Z ina cancel out. So I'm left with x, y, and the numbers. So twende kazi. X plus negative 2x. In other words, plus x plus minus 2x. I'm going to be left with negative x plus y plus 3y. Nabaki na 4y. 4 plus 7 is equals to 11. And so that is going to be my equation number D. So with that, hapa tukiweka negative itatupatia challenge kiasi. So let me just remove the negative hapo. So sorry for that. Tuseme x plus 2x itupatie 3x. Ndio pia turahisishe kazi, si ndio? Haya. That is my equation D. So consider A and C. Let me now consider equation A and B. So for A and B, x plus y minus z is equals to 4. Equation B, x minus 2y plus 3z is equals negative 6. So hapa tuli eliminate z, tukabaki na x and y. So the same thing I'm going to do here. I'm supposed to remain with x and y. In case niweke z, if I come to equate the two, italeta shida. So I'm supposed to remain with x and y. Sisahau hiyo. So for this case scenario, in z I have a 1. Hii nika kuna 1 hapa mbele and a 3 at the front. So how do I do that? For the first one, e3 hapa we multiplied in the first equation, then here hapa 1 multiplied with the second equation. So una consider ile namba iko hapo mbele. Kama ni 3, you multiply it by 3. If it is 1, you multiply by 1. So open the brackets. I shall have 3x plus 3y minus 3z is equals to 12. And for x minus 2y plus 3z is equals negative 6. So with that, I can now be able to eliminate the z. So what am I going to do? I am going to add through ndio nitoe z. So plus 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 minus 3 plus plus 3 minus 3 plus plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 0. Eliminate that. So I'm left with 3x plus x, 4x, 3 plus minus 2, 1. So 4x plus y, 12 plus minus 6, plus times minus, minus 12 plus minus 6, hiyo ni minus 12 minus 6, 6. For this part here plus na minus, with the more practice that you do, utaweza kujua kuifanya haraka. So practice hiyo utaiva. So that is going to be my equation number E. So I have equation D, equation E with the variables x, y, x and y. So kishafanya hivyo, what do we do? We now solve the two of them simultaneously. So 4x plus y is equals to 6. Na hii question hapa 3x plus 4y is equals to 11. Okay? So the same case 4, 3, 1 na 4. I can choose either of them to multiply with. So here 4 hapa multiply to the first equation. Here it's like I have a 1, so multiply by 1. Open the brackets. 4 times 4, 16x, 4 times 1 plus 4y, 6 times 4, 24, then 3x plus 4y is equals to 11. So 4 and 4y is equal similar. I subtract minus, minus, minus. 4 minus 4, 0. Inatoka 16x minus 3x, 13x is equals to 24 minus 11, 13. Divide by 13, divide by 13. I'm left with x is equal to 1. So I have one answer, x is equals to 1. I now substitute it either into equation D ama E. In case we substitute into these three equations hapa, itakuletea shida juu we only have one variable. So you substitute into this equation ama hizi mbili hapa. So I can choose to substitute it into E iko hapa karibu. Allow me to rub. So 4x plus y is equals to 6 na x tumepata 1. So substitute 4, 1 plus y, 6. 4 plus y is equals to 6. Take 4 to the other side, nakuwa negative 4. 6 minus 4, 2. I'm left with y is equals to 2. So now I have x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. So I can come and now substitute into either of these equations, A, B, or C. But you choose the one that is easier for you because in an exam setup, pia tuna consider the time. So for those two, I can choose to, x was equals to 1, y was equals to 2. So let us put into the first equation, x plus y minus z is equals to 4. So x eka 1 plus y 2 minus z equals to 4. So take 4 to the other side and z to the other side. 1 plus 2 minus 4 is equals to z. 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 minus 4, negative 1. So z is equals to 1. So x is 1, y is 2, z negative 1. So wadau, with that, as you can see, it is very, very simple. Hakuna kitu ya kukuchanganya hapo. So thank you. So next video for solving simultaneous equations, I'm now going to show you how you can solve this within within a minute in a calculator. So have a calculator by your side. Thank you.